Welcome to SAM Official Tech. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most critical global topics of our time, renewable energy. Renewable energy is no longer just a trend, it's the future. It's rapidly transforming industries, reducing carbon emissions, and creating a more sustainable world for future generations. In this comprehensive video, we'll explore everything from solar power to the latest innovations in green technology. So stay with us as we uncover how renewable energy is reshaping the planet. Renewable energy refers to energy that comes from sources that are naturally replenished, such as the sun, wind, and water. Unlike fossil fuels, which are finite and contribute to environmental degradation, renewable energy offers a cleaner, more sustainable solution to meet the world's energy needs. In the past few decades, technological advancements have made renewable energy more efficient, affordable, and scalable, allowing it to compete with traditional energy sources. Today, countries around the world are investing heavily in renewable energy infrastructure as part of their efforts to combat climate change and reduce dependence on fossil fuels. Solar energy is one of the most abundant and accessible sources of renewable energy. Solar panels, also known as photovoltaic (PV) cells, capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. The technology has evolved significantly, and solar panels can now be found on rooftops, in solar farms, and even in remote, off-grid locations. Large-scale solar farms can produce enough electricity to power thousands of homes, while smaller systems can provide energy for individual households. Solar power has the potential to drastically reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, and innovations in solar technology, such as solar batteries, are making it even more efficient and practical for everyday use. Wind energy is another key player in the renewable energy revolution. Wind turbines capture the kinetic energy of the wind and convert it into electricity. Wind power is one of the fastest-growing energy sources worldwide, with wind farms popping up across Europe, the United States, and Asia. Onshore wind farms are common, but offshore wind farms, located in bodies of water, are gaining popularity due to stronger and more consistent winds. The scale of wind turbines has increased dramatically, with modern turbines reaching heights of over 200 meters, capable of generating massive amounts of power. Wind energy is clean, sustainable, and an essential part of the global effort to reduce carbon emissions. Hydropower, or hydroelectric power, is one of the oldest and most reliable forms of renewable energy. It harnesses the energy from flowing or falling water, typically through dams, to generate electricity. Hydropower plants can range from small-scale projects that provide electricity to remote communities to massive projects like the Three Gorges Dam in China, which is the largest power station in the world by installed capacity. In addition to generating electricity, hydropower provides other benefits, such as flood control, irrigation, and water supply. While it is a clean energy source, hydropower can have environmental impacts, particularly on river ecosystems and wildlife, which is why careful planning and management are essential. Geothermal energy taps into the natural heat stored beneath the Earth's surface. Geothermal power plants use steam produced from hot water reservoirs below the Earth's crust to spin turbines and generate electricity. This energy source is highly reliable, providing a constant supply of electricity regardless of weather conditions, making it an excellent complement to other renewable energy sources like solar and wind. Countries such as Iceland, the Philippines, and New Zealand have taken full advantage of their geothermal resources to power their grids. In addition to electricity generation, geothermal energy is also used directly for heating in homes and greenhouses. Biomass energy comes from organic materials such as wood, agricultural residues, and even waste. Biomass can be burned directly to produce heat or converted into biofuels, like ethanol and biodiesel, which can be used in vehicles. Biomass energy is considered renewable because the organic materials can be replenished and the carbon dioxide released when they are burned is offset by the carbon absorbed by the plants during their growth. Biomass energy is particularly important in rural and developing areas, where it can be used for cooking, heating, and electricity generation. It also helps reduce waste by turning organic matter into a valuable energy source. The ocean holds vast potential for energy generation. Ocean energy, which includes both tidal and wave power, is an emerging field in renewable energy. Tidal power harnesses the energy of the tides, while wave power captures the energy from the movement of the ocean's surface. Tidal power plants are typically built near coastlines where the rise and fall of the tides can be predicted with high accuracy. Wave energy technologies are still in the experimental stage, but they have the potential to provide a significant amount of power in the future. Both tidal and wave power offer the advantage of being predictable and consistent, unlike solar and wind, which are dependent on weather conditions. Hydrogen is gaining recognition as a potential game changer in the renewable energy space. It can be produced from renewable resources like water and biomass, and when used in a fuel cell, it generates electricity with water as the only byproduct. Hydrogen has the potential to decarbonize sectors that are difficult to electrify, such as heavy industry and long-haul transportation. While hydrogen fuel cells are already being used in some electric vehicles, widespread adoption will require advances in production and storage technologies. Nevertheless, many experts see hydrogen as a crucial component of a zero-carbon energy system in the future. One of the key challenges with renewable energy is its intermittency. Solar panels don't generate electricity at night, and wind turbines only work when the wind is blowing. Energy storage technologies, such as batteries, are critical for overcoming this challenge. Large-scale battery systems can store excess electricity generated by renewable sources and release it when needed, providing a steady supply of power. Advances in battery technology, such as lithium-ion and solid-state batteries, are improving storage capacity and reducing costs, making renewable energy more reliable and practical. Pumped hydro storage, which involves pumping water uphill when electricity is abundant and releasing it to generate power when needed, is another proven solution. Smart grids are modernized electrical grids that use digital technology to improve the efficiency, reliability, and sustainability of electricity distribution. They are designed to accommodate the integration of renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind, which can fluctuate throughout the day. Smart grids use sensors and automated systems to monitor energy demand and supply in real time, allowing for more efficient use of electricity and reducing waste. They also empower consumers to take control of their energy usage through smart meters, which provide real-time information on energy consumption. By enabling better integration of renewable energy into the grid, smart grids are helping to create a more sustainable energy system. The transportation sector is responsible for a significant portion of global greenhouse gas emissions, and renewable energy is playing a key role in reducing its environmental impact. Electric vehicles (EVs) powered by renewable energy are becoming increasingly popular as a cleaner alternative to gasoline-powered cars. Countries around the world are investing in EV infrastructure, including charging stations powered by solar and wind energy. Renewable energy is also being used to develop alternative fuels like hydrogen and advanced biofuels, which have the potential to power not just cars but also trucks, buses, and airplanes. The shift to renewable energy in transportation is essential for achieving global climate goals. Renewable energy is having a transformative impact in developing countries, where access to reliable electricity is often limited. Solar panels, wind turbines, and small hydropower systems are providing clean, affordable energy to rural communities, improving quality of life and promoting economic development. In many cases, renewable energy is more cost-effective than extending traditional power grids to remote areas. Renewable energy projects are creating jobs, reducing energy costs, and helping to reduce poverty. By investing in renewable energy, developing countries are taking a significant step towards achieving energy independence and sustainable development. Government policies play a crucial role in promoting the adoption of renewable energy. Many countries have implemented incentives such as tax credits, subsidies, and feed-in tariffs to encourage investment in renewable energy projects. Public investment in research and development is also critical for advancing renewable energy technologies. Additionally, international agreements like the Paris Agreement are pushing governments to set ambitious targets for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and increasing the share of renewable energy in their energy mix. The collaboration between governments, the private sector, and international organizations is essential for accelerating the global transition to renewable energy. The renewable energy sector is a major driver of job creation. As countries ramp up their investments in renewable energy, millions of new jobs are being created in areas such as solar panel manufacturing, wind turbine installation, and energy storage technology development. In fact, the renewable energy sector now employs more people than the fossil fuel industry in many countries. These jobs range from high-skilled positions in research and development to labor-intensive roles in construction and maintenance. As the world moves away from fossil fuels, renewable energy will play an increasingly important role in reducing carbon emissions, creating jobs, and promoting sustainable development. The transition to renewable energy is not without its challenges, but with continued investment, innovation, and collaboration, it's a challenge that we can overcome. Whether it's solar panels on rooftops, wind turbines on the horizon, or electric vehicles on the roads, renewable energy is transforming the way we power our world, and the future is looking brighter than ever. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at how renewable energy is transforming our world. If you found this video informative, be sure to subscribe to Sam Official Tech and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Renewable energy is the future, and together, we can help create a more sustainable planet. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of technology and innovation. See you in the next video.